Yes, it means they are playing at the elite level of all competitions. It's back to the strong favourites, and many would say Liverpool should win. When a nation, of course, in the League Cup.
Liverpool đang có phong độ cao.
In the week, Queen Kelleher. Continued in goal, but he drops out today. If you speak to Gary O'Neill and his Wolves coaching staff, they feel that their performances haven't got the results they deserve. They're yet to win so far this season, but they've been a threat and a...
Và đây là sự thay đổi duy nhất của Liverpool.
And so here we go again. Saturday midweek. Life is busy for Liverpool.
Anh ơi, bottom left. Bottom left.
So welcome to the Etihad Stadium, the home of Manchester City Football Club, and tonight they face Newcastle United in a thrilling FIFA 19 matchup. Just 4 days, I think, ago, Manchester City conceded a serious heavy blow at the UEFA Champions League when Real Madrid just defeated Manchester City at their home ground thanks to that final minute goal of Jude Bellingham. But now Manchester City turned their focus on this game because they are standing too low at the Premier League table. And here we go, Manchester City, Newcastle at Etihad, here we go. And here is Raheem Sterling with an early attack. And here is Kun Aguero with the shot but defended. And the danger has been cleared from the defender of Newcastle United. And here's Kevin De Bruyne, but the ball has picked up by the defender of Newcastle United. And here it is, the lob pass from Newcastle. They are creating chances in the early moments, and here is the header and save from the Ederson. Kevin De Bruyne once again with the ball. Manchester City crumbling to the goal, and here is Raheem Sterling, but the ball lost it
Challenging each other.
at the penalty area. And Newcastle United,
Away with it with that first touch, but
Vincent Kompany with the ball now. Let's see, shot, save from the Ederson. Once again, Ederson saves. That was one-on-one, and now
How excited. Probably weren't expecting their team to get.
oh my god,
he's got it away, it hasn't crossed the line.
the ball did not cross the line, so